Today we are starting chapter number 5, more on PowerPoint 2010. So what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is basically a powerful, easy to use presentation software that enables you to create a presentation. So it is also called presentation software because in this we can make very attractive presentation. PowerPoint provides a lot of features. By using those features, we can we can share our ideas, views to others. It makes our presentation very attractive. It helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively by using diagrams, photos, charts, sounds, animation, etc. So it provides a lot of features. By using those features, we can make our presentation very attractive. Extension of PowerPoint 2010 is .pptx. Means when we will save our file in PowerPoint 2010, it will save with the extension .pptx. For example, I have given the name SRBPS to my file. So the file will be like srbps.pptx. pptx is the extension. Extension means the type of the software. Which type of software file is this one? So let's start with the PowerPoint. To open Microsoft PowerPoint, firstly we will click on Start button. You can see here in the left pane all the software list is available here. Then we will click on Microsoft Office. When we will click on Microsoft Office, you can see here all the tools of Microsoft Office is available here. Then we will click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Otherwise, you can just write in the search box. When you will write in search box, like I am writing here PowerPoint, you can see, just click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This is our PowerPoint window. You can see here the topmost line, the topmost bar is called the title bar. You can see here this one. This one is our title. In the title bar, it shows the name of the file. Like now our file name is presentation 1. When we will save our file, for example, I will give the name SRBPS. Then in place of presentation 1, SRBPS will come. Because SRBPS will be the name of the file after saving the file. This one is called Quick Access Toolbar. This one is called Quick Access Toolbar. It means it contains the options that are frequently used like save, undo, redo. We can edit also. We can add the new options also, and we can remove also from the Quick Access Toolbar. Next one is, see these home, insert, design. These are called ribbons. These are called ribbons. Whenever we will click on any ribbon, for example, if we will click on home ribbon, you can see here different groups are here. Same like that, when we will click on insert, you can see here different ribbons are here. Sorry, these are called groups. When we will click on any ribbon, you can see these are the ribbons. These are the groups of insert ribbon. Images, illustration, tables. These are called groups. Links. and each group you can see the different options are here. So this one, home, insert, design, these are called ribbons, and when we will click on ribbons you can see here different groups are here. So these are called groups. This is called file tab. This is called file tab. When we will click on file tab, the options will available like new, open, save, save as, like these. And here you can see recent presentation. Those presentation recently I have opened. So this list will be available here. And here is the recent places where these files are saved. So if you want to open a new, just click on the new. Just click on new. Clear? So you can see here, by default we will take blank presentation. Blank presentation we will take. If you want to take the templates, you can see here recent template and sample template. Recent means recently those templates we have used. Sample template. What is the meaning of template? A template is just like a blueprint in the creation of a new slide. Means whenever we are creating the new slide, new presentation, so it will work as a blueprint. It contains predefined colors, predefined fonts, predefined effects. So all the styles, effects are predefined. So if you want to save the time and you want to take some predefined styles, colors, fonts, you can choose any template. Just click on sample template. You can see here there are different sample templates. These are some predefined presentation which contain a number of slides, and all the effects, all the fonts, colors, background styles, all are predefined and we can change according to our requirement. Clear? Whatever you want to take. For example, I want to take this one. I have selected this and then click on create button. Just click on create button. You can see here I have taken one template. You can see here now all the slides are clear. This is our slide tab. This is our slide tab. You can see here different slides are here. In this you can see slides and one is outline. Slides will show, you can see here all the slides. You can see here. Here you can see here there are 20 slides, 20 predefined slides in this presentation. When we will click on outline, you can see only outline means only the text part will appear. Only the text part will appear. You can see here in first slide that one text is written, in second slide nothing, third slide this one, fourth like that. Only outlining means only text part will show, and in the slides completely you can see here. Clear? And this is our slide area. We can do any type of editing, any type of changes in our slide area. Clear? So whatever you want to do in your slide, you will work on the slide area. You will work on the slide area. Clear? Whatever thing you will select, just you have to select it. If you want to play, if you want to see your slideshow, F5 is the shortcut key for the slideshow. F5 is the shortcut key for the slideshow. I am just pressing F5. You can see here. Just press the enter key. Press the enter key. One by one, you can see the different slides. These all the effects, transition and animation, all the things are predefined. Here you can see here, just press F5 for the slideshow, and now I am pressing enter key. for displaying the next slide. If you want to go back, then just press the escape key. If you want to go back from the slideshow, just press escape key. That is on the topmost left corner, ESC. That is escape key. Just press the escape key. Then you will again come back to your presentation. Clear? When we will press the F5, slideshow will start from first slide. It will start from first slide. For example, if I want to start from this slide, sixth one slide, that is our current slide. So what you will do, you will just press Shift F5. In place of F5, you will use Shift F5. Then it will be start from the current slide. Clear? And same like that, you just press enter key and escape key for if you want to go back to your screen, press escape key. So F5 is the shortcut key for the slideshow from the starting from the first slide, and shift F5 from the current slide. Wherever is on our, like at present I am in second slide. If I will press shift plus F5, then it will be start from the second slide. Clear? Now I am pressing the escape key. So this one is the predefined template.